Question number 14. Formulate the indicated conclusion in non-technical terms. Be sure to address the original claim. Cool. The owner of a football team claims that the average attendance at games is over 523, and he is therefore justified in moving the team to a city with a larger stadium. Assuming that the null hypothesis to support the claim has been conducted and that the conclusion is failure to reject the null hypothesis. State the conclusion in non-technical terms. Excuse me. So, we have our null hypothesis and our alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis states that there is no difference between a parameter, which is going to be for averages, that's mu, and the specific value, mu equals to 523. If there's no difference, then they are equal. Whereas the alternative hypothesis states that there is the existence of some sort of difference. In this case, we have a specific direction. The attendance at games is over 523. So mu is greater than 523, and that is what he's claiming. Now, I'm doing more than I should for this question, but I want you guys to understand what's going on. The conclusion is failure to reject the null hypothesis. So basically, do not reject the null. So whenever you do not reject the null, you're going to accept the null hypothesis. When we do not reject the null for our conclusion, we state that there is not enough evidence to support his claim, support the claim that the mean is over 523. Keep it pretty simple. Once again, whenever the null hypothesis is not rejected for the conclusion, there is not enough evidence. And in this case, there's not enough evidence to support his claim. Once again, because we did not reject the null hypothesis, we are accepting the null hypothesis. That is not the claim. There's not enough evidence to support this claim. And that is it for number 14. Take care.